Before you throw that broken TV, dead laptop, or useless washing machine into the trash, stop. What if I told you that even the most beyond repair electronics still have serious value? Every year, Europe alone throws away millions of tons of electronic waste. Most of it isn't recycled properly. And the crazy part? A lot of those dead devices can still be reused, repurposed, or transformed into something genuinely useful. Today, we're breaking the myth that broken electronics are worthless. These are smart, creative, and practical ways to give your old electronics a second life, even when they no longer work. Some ideas will save you money. Some will help the environment. And some might actually surprise you. Let's begin. 1. Old TVs and monitors. Still useful. A TV that doesn't turn on feels useless, but it's not. Old flat-screen TVs and monitors can be converted into digital photo frames, wall-mounted clocks, smart mirrors, or even custom LED light panels. Even if a screen is damaged, internal parts like power boards, speakers, and backlight strips are still valuable for DIY projects. In schools and workshops, broken screens are often used for electronics training because learning on dead devices costs nothing. That dead TV? It's still a teaching tool. 2. Washing machines, hidden engineering gold. A broken washing machine looks like scrap metal until you open it. Inside you'll find heavy-duty motors, strong steel drums, high-quality bearings, counterweights perfect for workshop use. These motors are commonly reused in DIY grinders, cement mixers, small generators, home workshop tools. Even the drum can become a fire pit, garden planter, or outdoor furniture. Washing machines are not junk. They're industrial-grade machines disguised as home appliances. 3. Microwaves, not just a kitchen appliance. A microwave that won't heat food still contains powerful components. Cooling fans, transformers, door switches, and control boards are often reused for electronics testing, power supply experiments, DIY lab setups. And no, this doesn't mean unsafe experiments. Professionals and technicians reuse these parts daily for learning and repair practice. The outer metal casing is also perfect for building tool storage or shielding boxes. Microwaves teach us one thing. Failure doesn't mean useless. For laptops and PCs, value beyond the screen. Even if your laptop doesn't boot, it still has value. Old laptops can be turned into home servers, used as media players, converted into digital dashboards. Hard drives may still work. RAM modules are often reusable. Cooling fans are perfect for DIY electronics projects. Even non-working boards are valuable for micro-soldering practice, which is how many technicians learn precision repair. Your old laptop might be dead, but it can still teach, serve, and save money. 5. Speakers and audio devices. Sound never dies. Broken audio systems are a gold mine. Speakers, magnets, coils, and enclosures are reused in custom Bluetooth speakers, home audio projects, sound insulation experiments. Even old subwoofer boxes are reused as storage or furniture bases. Sound hardware is durable. It's usually the electronics that fail, not the components that move air. 6. Kitchen appliances, parts with purpose. Toasters, kettles, ovens, and coffee machines all share one thing: strong internal parts. Heating elements, thermostats, switches, and wiring are commonly reused for temperature control projects, testing circuits, repairing other appliances. Even knobs and mechanical timers are reused in control panels. A broken toaster can literally help fix another one. 7. Creative and home uses. Beyond technical reuse, broken electronics can become industrial-style furniture, lamps and wall art, desk organizers, storage units. Across Europe, designers are turning old electronics into modern decor. It's not junk, it's raw material. 8. Environmental impact. Why this matters. Electronic waste is one of the fastest growing pollution problems in the world. When electronics end up in landfills, toxic materials leak into soil. Metals are wasted. Energy used to create them is lost forever. Reusing just one appliance reduces carbon footprint more than recycling it. The greenest product is the one you don't throw away. So next time someone says, it's beyond repair, pause, look at it again. Because broken electronics are not failures, they're opportunities. Opportunities to save money, to learn, to create, and to reduce waste. Here at Easy Solutions, we believe smarter choices beat expensive replacements. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. More honest advice, real fixes, and smarter living without marketing nonsense. Thanks for watching.